This demonstration shows the standalone locker management integration between the Impro EC3 controller and the Aperio IP hub. We're going to demonstrate the use of two lockers. Both of these lockers have Aperio KL100 locks. We've got two credentials that this system knows nothing about, and we're going to associate these credentials with these locks. So I'm going to present the first credential to the first lock. I'm going to open it, close it, and then lock it. This lock is now locked. I cannot open it, and this credential is associated with this lock. My second credential I'm now going to present to this locker, and it's going to give me a denied transaction, which means I cannot open up this lock because it's associated with the first credential. But what I am going to do is now associate this credential with the second lock. So I'm going to close it there, and that credential is now associated with this lock, and I cannot open up this lock. Okay, now if I was to present this credential to this locker, it gives me a denied transaction. It can only open up this lock. So now I can open up this lock again. Likewise, if I take this second credential and I present it to this lock, it will give me a denied transaction. Okay, and I can only open up this second locker here.